Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to use data validation with the list option. It allows you to create drop-down lists like this. For example, if I click over here, you see this icon. I can choose anything from this drop-down list. See? And if I try to type anything over here, like say Apple, it says either retry, cancel, or help. Even if I retry, it won't allow me to do that. So this was done using the data validation with list option. How did I do it? Let me show you. It's an amazing thing to do. So let's copy it here also. So here the list is already there for us to see. Let me create a new list over here. So to create a list in Excel, you can do it in multiple ways. The first thing is that you can have your list ready somewhere written in an Excel file in the same file. All right, like over here. I've written this list over here. All right. Now, what I need to do is I need to go to the data tab and I need to go to data validation. And from here, I need to choose allow from a list. All right. And we can give the option as do we not want to ignore the blanks and do we want to in cell drop down? Yes. Now, we can give it a source. All right. The source will be this. Now the source is there. From here, now we can choose the input method, input message, like if somebody types in. So whenever somebody selects this cell, the message would be shown. So you can give it a title, method, just example. Please use the drop down list. Okay. And we can choose a custom error alert. It can show you these symbols, stop, warning, information. Title again, you can give it stop, anything. Please use the list. Click on OK. All right. Now, the issue was I created the drop-down list over here, which I should have created over here. So let me do it again. So data validation, setting, any value, I choose list. I choose the source. Here's the source. And I go to input message and say method. Please use the list. And here is my list. I can now copy it. Just do a Control C and Control V, your list gets copied. See? Now you can even delete the content, but the drop down would still be there. So you can choose PlayStation. If I type in anything, say cardboard, so I press enter. Okay. The value doesn't match, and it also started giving me an error. Method, please use the list. Over here, I also created the error. So if I type in anything like now, I say type, it gives me a custom error message that I typed in. Please use the list. Remember? There is another way of creating a list. Let's create it over here. Let me also show you how to delete it. So there is this list over here already, drop down list. Let me show you how to delete it. Go to data validation, settings, and go to clear all. Okay. And see, the list is gone. So now let's try to create another list with different option. So we have selected the area, validation, and over here, we again select a list, and Instead of selecting a source, I can type stuff in. TV, LCD, comma, iron, and click OK. Now if you see, you get the list here also in all the cells that were selected. So you can either give it a range or type the stuff in your list. So this is how we use the data validation with list option in Excel to create drop-down list. See you in the next video.